Here, buddy.
He's hiding.
Down here in
the crack.
In the crack. Oh, I know. Okay. Yeah, you're a little more wiggly, aren't you? He seems smaller than the other guy.
He's the second biggest.
This one is?
The weird thing about him, when he was born, he was definitely the smallest. And she brought me him and the biggest, and I held them, and I couldn't tell which was bigger by weight. Like, he was so dense.
Yeah.
Felt so thick and dense that even though there was like a 50-gram difference, one was like a third bigger than the other, and I still couldn't tell.
Yeah.
By weight, I thought he was heavier because he felt so dense. It's really bizarre. I've never seen that before.
So the only thing unusual with him is he's got a double misalignment in his, so like sometimes there's different planes of movement that the vertebrae go in. So with the atlas, you know, it can be out, you know, this way and then also this way. And so far, usually it's just, you know, just be posterior on one side, but he's posterior and superior on that left side, which means it's up like this and shifted forward like that.
Okay.
So
like on two different planes.
Yeah, in two different planes.
Which we have seen with others.
That's happened before. Yeah.
But that might be some of the stuff that we didn't follow up on. I can't remember. So we may want to follow up with him with another one. Although next week we're going to Legacy, so it might have to be a little later.
I would say it would be fine to wait a couple weeks anyway, because it's going to be easier when they're bigger to really like get in there,
feeling what's going on. Yeah. Okay.
It's also going to give them more time to just self-correct. Hold on. A little wiggle on them. Hold on. I know. Maybe just slight left side. At this stage, it's mostly, it's like with babies, newborn, you know, humans, or it's all just like soft tissue releases for the most part. So if something feels restricted, it's so small. There we go. Good. Good job, Bubba's. Yeah, I mean, they all felt pretty good.
Good.
You know,
Okay.
nothing super crazy, so, which makes sense because, you know, they're doing so well.